Okay, so at this point I'm ready to spray this wrapping black. So before I do that, I need to mask off the walls and ceiling. So as you can see, I already started. What I'm gonna do is tape around these areas here where the pipe connects to the ceiling. And then I'm gonna use sheets of paper like this and just wrap it behind it so it'll cover the wall and the ceiling. Okay, so I'm gonna use this paper here. This paper is, I guess you would call it a construction paper. It just comes on a big roll like this. Then for some of the smaller spots, I have some of this other paper, which is thinner. Okay, so at this point I have everything masked and I'm ready to spray it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the garage door because the fumes from the spray paint are pretty strong. And I'm just going to give it a light coat and just cover it. I don't want to go too thick because it will start to drip. And yeah, let's get to it.